Have you ever felt a pang of curiosity about cryptocurrency, but the whole thing seems shrouded in mystery? Trading terms like fiat and hodling fly over your head, and the interfaces look like something out of a sci-fi movie? Fear not, friend. Today, we're here to shed some light on a user-friendly app called Newton that can be your gateway to the exciting world of crypto. But before we dive into Newton, let's rewind a bit. Imagine a world where money isn't controlled by banks, where transactions are instantaneous and secure, and where anyone, anywhere can participate in a global financial system. That's the core idea behind cryptocurrency. It's digital money built on a technology called blockchain, which essentially creates a public ledger of all transactions. Pretty cool, right? Now, back to Newton. See, the thing about crypto is that sometimes getting started feels like climbing Mount Everest. You need wallets, you need to understand complex trading platforms, and frankly, it can be intimidating. That's where Newton comes in. Think of it as your crypto Sherpa, a friendly guide who takes you by the hand and helps you navigate this exciting new terrain. So, what exactly is Newton used for? In a nutshell, Newton allows you to buy and sell cryptocurrency with ease. It's a Canadian platform, but for our international viewers, don't worry, we'll touch on some alternatives later. Here's the beauty of Newton, it's designed for beginners. The interface is clean and intuitive, and the whole process is streamlined. You can link your bank account directly, deposit funds, and then choose from a wide variety of popular cryptocurrencies to buy. Let's say you've always been intrigued by Bitcoin, the OG cryptocurrency. With Newton, you can buy a fraction of a Bitcoin, perfect for dipping your toes in the water without going all in. Or maybe you're hearing all the buzz about Ethereum, a platform for building decentralized applications. Newton has that too. But wait, there's more. Newton isn't just about buying crypto. You can also sell your crypto holdings back into Canadian dollars and withdraw them straight to your bank account. This flexibility is what makes Newton so attractive, especially for those who are new to the crypto world. Now, when it comes to fees, Newton keeps things transparent. They have a flat spread fee, which means you know exactly what you're paying up front. There are no hidden charges or surprises, which is a refreshing change in the sometimes murky world of crypto trading. Security is obviously a top concern for anyone venturing into the digital currency landscape. Newton takes security very seriously. They use industry-leading security practices to protect your funds, including two-factor authentication and cold storage for a majority of their cryptocurrency holdings. Of course, Newton isn't the only player in the game. If you're not in Canada, there are other beginner-friendly platforms like Coinbase and Gemini that offer similar services. Ultimately, the best platform for you will depend on your location and specific needs. Here's the key takeaway. With Newton, you don't have to be a tech whiz or a financial expert to get started with cryptocurrency. It's a safe, user-friendly platform that can help you explore this exciting new frontier. So, if you've ever been curious about crypto but felt overwhelmed, consider giving Newton a try. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy exploring.